What's up guys, Mike from Slow Speed. As I promised you guys, I'm going to show you how to do the oil change on your BMW 435 or any N55 motor, pretty much on every BMW motor. So I purchased this oil right here. Here's your original BMW engine oil, just a typical, I think it's rebranded Castrol or maybe rebranded Shell, something. It takes approximately 7 quarts. The kit comes with the filter, the rings, and the plug. And as you guys can see, got this from ECS Tuning. I think they were the cheapest people to have it at the time. I think I paid like 80 bucks for this whole setup. And the reason why it's expensive is because look at all this quarts of oil that comes in this engine. I'll let you guys know exactly now. Yeah, I paid $84. Zoom in, is it focusing? Paid 84 bucks and 6 cents. So yeah. Accessing the filler cap, the filter housing cap, and the drain bolt, which is underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and run and grab the drain pan, but other than that, that's all you're gonna need. I know it's crappy and cruddy in there, but oil's about to go in there, so I really don't care. Now, if you're scared to get underneath your car, this is not for you. Now, we're gonna go to the back. If you guys see this flap right here, toward the back, it's the only flap on rear wheel drive. I think front wheel drive, you might have another access cover for the front diff, but the rear wheel drive is right here. Let's go ahead and push that, flip that down, where you're gonna meet a 17mm drain plug. That's hot, guys. I don't know if open up the cap and let it essentially have some air. It's not like a tight closed system now. Now here you can see we are about to take off the filter. Using my BMS oil filter wrench. It works for all your BMWs, like I think the N motors. I'm not sure about the M, but the N motors definitely work for all of them. Attached to a 21mm and a 1/2 inch. We're just gonna go ahead. It shouldn't be that tight, honestly. Now, just to save some frustration, I do normally have paper towels wrapped around. I use this to save some of that oil spill, because that is very annoying. 3.6 motor. Alright. So now that that's loose, we can completely unscrew and lift this up. And here is the filter, guys. Now there is some oil still in there. There's a procedure, I think, to get the oil out. However, I've never really cared to get the oil out of there. I'm gonna set that down right here. Back underneath the car. 17mm nut. New one. They give you a replacement one every time. And if we open up the filter, the crush washer should be in here with the kit. We put the filter back in for now, and we just need the crush washer. So we're gonna open it up. And we are going to take out the crush washer. Be careful, make sure you don't drop those O-rings. Let us start to thread that in. Get it tight, pretty much, finger tight. Careful not to spill oil in your driveway and stuff too. So we're done with this, so we put the flap back up. And that's it for this. Alright guys, back up to the top. Take the fingers and squeeze it and take it off. For this sake, I'm gonna go ahead and do this over something else. Yep, there we go. Stand up a little bit. And just flip it right upside down. Take that off. You can grab like a little pick tool. I'm just improvising right now. This has to come off to this rubber piece right here. Now we're gonna take the new gasket. Since I really got some oil on my fingers, I'm gonna go ahead and just lube up with the oil that I have on my fingers. Lube up the ring, lube it up, and just stretch it over and place it on. There's an indentation on where it goes, so you guys shouldn't get that confused. Here we go. That's on and that's seated. Now it's time for the mini one that I told you guys not to lose. Now this is easy to lube up. You just right here and you just put that on the edge. Stretch it around. And we're there. So that's on, that's on. I don't think the filter, I don't think it really matters which way it goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and I only gotta squeeze it in a little bit. And wait, actually, you're supposed to. And then go ahead, put it in. The beauty I love about this, the way this is designed, it won't really let you over torque it. It'll slip on here before it over torques. Figure that out because obviously I over torqued it. Made it this far. We're in a home stretch. Grab the box and start putting oil in there. So, pretty sure you guys know how to pour oil in. Recommended use a funnel. Mike, not right now. All the oil's in there. Line it up so BMW is facing that way. Not necessary, but hey. And I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these tools down. Lower your jack. If you use the jack, go ahead and fire it up. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Mike from Soul Speed. We out of here.